Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full guide on how to change a Jira workflow. Whether you're managing tasks, sprints, or projects, customizing your workflow is key to keeping your team productive. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to modify workflows safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First, log into Jira and navigate to the project you want to edit. Remember, workflows are project specific, so changes here won't affect other projects. Next, make sure you have administrative rights because only admins can edit workflows. Once you've confirmed your access, go to the sidebar, click Project Settings, and then select Workflows. Here, you'll see the current workflow in place. To make changes, click Edit Workflow. This will open the Workflow Designer. Now comes the fun part. Start by reviewing existing statuses. If you're missing any stages like code review or QA, add them. Then create transitions to connect the statuses and don't forget to set rules or triggers. For example, prevent tasks from moving to done until all subtasks are resolved. Before making it live, take advantage of draft mode to test your workflow without affecting active issues. This ensures everything runs smoothly and your team won't face unexpected surprises. Once you're confident, click Publish Workflow. Finally, communicate the changes to your team, either through a quick meeting or a message, so everyone is aligned with the new process. And that's it. Customizing your Jira workflow has never been easier. With these steps, you can keep your projects organized and your team efficient. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit that bell so you never miss a Jira hack. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.